Wind warning. Issued at Saturday 8:48 a.m. February 22nd, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. What? Southeast winds at 70 gusting to 90 kilometers per hour near the Strait of Georgia. When? Late this morning to afternoon. Where? Sunshine Coast, Saltery Bay to Powell River, Southern Gulf Islands, East Vancouver Island, Nanoose Bay to Campbell River. Additional information. Strong southeast winds will intensify late this morning and continue through this afternoon as a Pacific frontal system approaches the BC coast. Winds will ease this evening. Hashtag. Loose objects may be tossed by the wind and cause injury or damage. High winds may result in power outages and fallen tree branches. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to beakstorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using hashtag BCStorm.